This is week 3. Are we on? This is Jen, Jym with a Y. We are at week 3 of our East Coast swing, bronze level, beginner level, and what we did was our sliding doors, and then we added a nice little spin, if Jen's willing. Yeah?
Time will tell.
Okay. All right. So what we did is we did our basic step, and we went into a throw up position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with that throw up position, we're overturning, so we're side by side, where before we were more facing. So watch again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. My left foot is free. Her right foot is free. What I'm going to do is we're going to do a side rock instead of a back rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, hello. She's going to do a turn on that one. Let's try it again without the turn. Very nice, by the way. Very good. Good. Here we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, and then we're just both going to chasse. Make sure that the hands are ready. There we go. Again. Boom, ba, boom. That's it. Boom, ba, boom. Good. Okay. Now, Jen decided she's going to do it. So I think what? Right turn on that one, right? So we're going to do our back rocks. We have 1, 2, triple step, side rock, boom. Oh, she does too. Very nice. So you can do it both back and forth. So when you guys are doing this, let me just show real quick. Stay right here. So what we're going to do is as we're doing that side rock, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to do it, we're actually stepping, turning those feet together, finishing, and then balancing out. We're really not traveling that much. It's actually a very nice tight turn. So don't think big because we're both traveling. Okay. So once again, doing it from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I can go back the other way if I want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, how do we get out of this? That's the thing, right? So we've just finished. So let's see here. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that was week 1 where we did that inside underarm turn. Okay, watch again. So we're taking it from the throw up position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to end it coming out. Boom, 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 boom. Then back out. Cool. Thank you, Jen. Did you do good those turns? Nice.